The FoodBev Manufacturing SETA has been instrumental in transforming South Africa's food and beverages sector. True to our mandate, we've worked diligently to ensure equal access to training and skills development. We have bridged skills gaps, fostered industry excellence, and uplifted communities. This mandate would not be achievable without the unwavering support of the sector we serve. Our employers have opened their doors to countless young unemployed South Africans, offering them valuable experience through work-based learning programs, internships, and learnerships. These initiatives have increased the employability of young and new job entrants.
Hello, my name is Bomusa Kevin Sitwale, one of the learners in business administration at Coca-Cola Beverages in logistics under learning and development. I am fortunate to be one of the learners who are being funded by FoodBev SETA. This opportunity has significantly enhanced my experience and skill set. Before this opportunity, I was a student at Cape Peninsula University of Technology, but because of financial reasons, I had to contemplate on whether I should choose the learnership at Coca-Cola or continue being a student. Truly speaking, I'm truly grateful for the opportunity that I've received here at Coca-Cola Beverages, because right now I've managed to gain the skills of being able to work in a teamwork, adaptability, and I've learned the importance of education.
Good day everyone, I am Tiffany McLean, 25 years of age. I'm from a small town called Humansdorp in the Eastern Cape. I started 2020 to 2021 with my learnership at Woodlands Dairy. 2022, I got promoted as a general worker. 2023, I also got promoted as a downstream operator. I would like to thank SETA and Woodlands Dairy for this amazing opportunity.
The SETA has targeted learning programs that focused at empowering entrepreneurs and SMEs to grow and be sustainable.
Hi guys, my name is Rian, owner of Chocoleo, and I'm based in the West Rand, the Roodepoort area. I'd just like to say thank you to the FoodBev SETA and to the Delicious Festival Trade Academy. They've provided amazing training for us thus far, and it's helped all our businesses on various levels. Me personally, it's taken my business from a startup to where I'm actually collaborating with other businesses. So I've learned quite a lot in this, and I'd just like to urge all small businesses to try and apply for the training. It's been an amazing journey, and I just want to say thank you. I'm so humbled by the experience. It's been amazing. Thank you guys.
Hi, welcome to FoodBev Bakery. I'm Zanele Sibiya, the founder and the owner of FoodBev Bakery. And ukube ingxenye yale cohort ngisize kakhulu because ungifundise okuningi ngoba kwebhizinisi uhlezi ufunda. Sengiqashe abasebenzi aba-5 aba-permanent, ngaphinda ngaba nama-reliever ami awu-3.
Additionally, our bursary programs are supporting hundreds of employed, unemployed students and the missing middle in acquiring qualifications to enter the job market.
My name is Rilotebile Malepe, and I'm a marketing strategist for a company named Mukapu ZA. We are based in Venda in the Limpopo province. FoodBev Manufacturing SETA has selected us amongst other businesses back in August of this year, 2024, to go and participate in an international executive entrepreneurship leadership development program in the United States of America. We were in New York and North Carolina with the FoodBev Manufacturing SETA team, and we were exposed to so much more about entrepreneurship and business and the power of collaborations.
My name is Mashakolorele Dwaba, the founder of the Breadbox Bakery and Studio in Midrand, Johannesburg. I am pursuing an international executive programs at GIPS, where I am enrolled for a postgraduate diploma in business administration. This program has been instrumental in refining my leadership skills and equipping me with tools to transform the Breadbox Bakery into globally competitive business. In 2022, FoodBev SETA provided us with the life-changing opportunity to attend the Summer Fancy Food Show in New York. This prestigious exhibition introduced us to global markets, cutting-edge trends, and invaluable connections.
This is our way of empowering the future.